Now, the narc needs you to give up your control. Why? Because this is how they control themselves. By manipulating you to believe that they are in control, you then naturally submit yourself to the narcissist. Your submission of them is the doorway of them controlling you so that they can not just control themselves, but change themselves by the way of changing their ego. Why? Because they are striving to subdue their ego. They look to the outside, which is you, because inside is nothing but vacancy. You want to hear more? Next slide, please.